If you're planning to attend MRO Americas Aviation Week 2023, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From April 18th through the 20th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during MRO Americas exhibit hall hours at the Georgia World Congress Center in Atlanta, Georgia. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at MRO Americas 2023 why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the aviation industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.